What should you do for small apartment exterior maintenance inspections? Hey, Cordell here, Cordell Davenport, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website if you haven't. There's other videos and other items I've posted that revolves around buying and managing small apartments. In this video, I'm going to talk about exterior maintenance inspections and what to do. All right, so exterior maintenance, these are ongoing and to be repairs or replacement of items that are on the outside of the property. Inspections can help you find problems when they are relatively small, easy, and inexpensive to repair. You'll be able to identify specific and immediate problems that need the attention. And what you can do is when you look at these things that you come across, you can develop long-range plans. And that is worked out through preventive maintenance programs. So you have a preventive maintenance schedule, and part of your preventive maintenance schedule is to do inspections on the outside premises, document what's going on. And frequent inspections also ensure that safety of the property and the residents are up to par. And then not only that, if you document correctly, you can avoid nasty tenants that are sue happy, claiming that they failed or something is damaged on the outside of the property. But if you go by and you take pictures and you have everything documented to prove otherwise, you have a better chance of defending yourself. Because believe me, we live in a world in America, everybody wants to sue. So one way to do this type of inspections is to have a good checklist. As I mentioned, have everything documented. And what's good is that even if you can have like a before and after too, or just have things looked at. So once a quarter, once a month, once a week. It all depends on what you're trying to analyze and how big your property is, of course. Now, here are some things to inspect: property grounds, fences, retaining walls, landscape irrigation, exterior lighting, building exteriors, including siding, roofs, stairways, and balconies, swimming pool, utility buildings, trash and mail areas, parking lots and sidewalks, carports and garages, all public accessibility areas with ADA and Fair Housing Act implications. That's it for this video. Be on the lookout for more.